Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Osama Aslam. So today I will tell you about how we can set our current directory by a shortcut method. There is a one standard method and there one is shortcut method. I will prefer, for example, one is that like you set here set work directory. Currently, like by default, it is set it here temp. But you can choose whatever you want. Like you can choose wherever you want to set. Like for example, I want to download. This is the first method. Then it will become your current directory. Second method, for example, sometimes you want to work in a specific folder. So what you do, you open that folder. Let's say I want to work here, and you added this address and click here and write here. This is easier method. Like you don't have to search for all the folders. You just come here, added the address, and write it cmd like command.exe, and it will open this one, and here you type abacus ca. So this will become your current directory. uh, no matter how long you're at, for example, how many folders you have, so this is now your current directory. So this is a shortcut method, and very easy. You can follow this step.